Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to use Baybayin font in Canva. Let's get started. First, it's important to know that Baybayin is an ancient Filipino writing system. While Canva offers many fonts, Baybayin fonts are not usually included by default. To use a Baybayin font in Canva, you'll first need to download a Baybayin-compatible font from a trusted font website. Make sure the font supports Baybayin characters and is available in either TTF or OTF format. Once you've downloaded the font, open Canva and sign into your account. Next, go to the Brand section or Brand Kit from the Canva dashboard. This feature is available for Canva Pro users. Look for the option called Upload a Font and select the Baybayin font file you downloaded. After the upload is complete, Canva will add the font to your account, and it will become available in the font list for future projects. Now create a new design or open an existing one, add a text box and type your Baybayin text. If your keyboard doesn't support Baybayin characters, you can use a Baybayin converter or keyboard tool online, then copy and paste the text into Canva. Once the text is added, select it and choose your uploaded Baybayin font from the font menu. Your text should now display in the Baybayin script. If the characters don't appear correctly, make sure the font supports Unicode Baybayin characters and that your text was converted properly before pasting it into Canva. Now here's a quick tip. Before using Baybayin in important projects, double-check the spelling and translation. Since Baybayin is a historical script, accurate conversion is important to ensure your message is displayed correctly, and that's how you can use Baybayin font in Canva. Thanks for watching.